Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to work with the Canva For Work Resize option. Now let's assume that you are creating a poster design. And so by doing that poster design, you're going to pick a certain template. You're going to bring that template into your canvas. And then once you've used the template for the method that you want, it's possible that you may want to use it for another format. And so what you're going to want to do is to resize the template. And so basically, what the Magic Resize allows you to do is to take the existing design and make it ready for any of the other formats. So while we have a poster design, it's quite possible that we may want to turn this into a presentation. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click this button that says Copy and Resize. And this allows us to keep our design the way it is, as well as to create a resized document. We could just choose to resize the document as is and not make a copy. However, we are going to keep this design. So we're going to click Copy and Resize. So what Canva does is it then turns this into a presentation that we can then edit for a different use. And we can do this for as many times as we want. We can go back into the resize area, and we can determine that what we want to do with this is we want to turn it into a business card. However, we want to keep our design for our presentation. We don't just want to resize it, we want to copy and resize it. So then Canva goes through the process of turning this into a business card, which we can then use to either print as a business card or present. And that's how you use the Magic Resize. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.